Assalamu alaikum. In this video tutorial I will show you how to create a logo in Polygon in Illustrator, step by step, super easy tutorial for beginners. So let's get started. First of all, create a new file and select a line segment tool and none the fill and draw a line by holding on shift and draw a line. Here is our line. Now select line, hold on alt and make a copy. If you hold on alt and drag with a mouse, here is our copy. Now press Ctrl D to make the action repeat, and I want 13 lines. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. Here is our 13 lines, and select a select a polygon tool and draw a polygon. Here is our polygon. Hold on shift and make the polygon smaller. So here is a perfect polygon tool. Now select all of them and go to align and make vertical align center. Here is our vertical align center, and now select align and hold on, press right click on mouse and go to transform and reflect. I want to reflect this on 45 degree. Here is our 45 degree. Now we have to and select again and do the same. Select transform and reflect. Now I want to reflect to 60%. So 60%, I think this is a perfect. Copy this one and oh my god, transform, reflect and 60%, copy or selected, and then make a transform and reflect to a horizontal. Now horizontal. Now copy. So here is our total prices of logo making. Now I want to delete the polygon tool. Here is a polygon tool. Select and now press the delete button to delete this one. So select all with select the selection tool and select all and zoom. Now select shape builder tool. So let's get started. Select fill, and now I want to add a text OSD. So first of all I want to add S. Now I want to add a. First I want to add a. First OS. Oh, now I want to add first a. Select carefully. So here is our final logo. OST. It's looking like OSO. So but I have write this OST. Okay. So